The prospect of having to be in a nursing home is usually the biggest threat to a person's estate, a much larger threat than the estate tax ever was. Even an average stay in a nursing home can be financially devastating. This is a complex area of law, and you need to work with an elder law attorney or estate planning attorney to make sure that you are getting proper advice with respect to how to preserve and protect your assets. There are things that you can do, but it's most effective if you start years before you think you may have to need nursing care. One of the most effective things that you can do is to have long-term care insurance. But not everyone qualifies, and not everyone can afford it. Even if you don't qualify or can't afford long-term care insurance, there are many things that you can do. Some of them are quite simple, some of them are more complex. You need to work with a local attorney because each state's laws are different. Although there are some similarities based upon the federal law, each state has their own nuances, and so you need to work with a local attorney to make sure that you are getting the best advice about how to protect your assets for your family.